If it's like a short-term mating strategy, if I want to just have sex with someone, I don't care if she has a higher or lower body count. Actually, in some times, I would want her to have a decent body count because she would be more experienced in bed, which means I'm going to have a better sexual experience. But when it comes to marriage, it's a clear consequence that you know the Gen Z or whoever is growing up needs to understand कि उसका consequence आएगा आगे आपको.
But does this not perpetuate the false idea that men are emotionless sex machines? What we were talking
नहीं,
about
true,
earlier?
100%. I'm not saying men are
so I'm just
emotionless,
gonna get-
but
They're
men
not, and they
they're
deserve
not.
that same dignity. वही तो मतलब
हाँ, बिल्कुल
why
दो,
is
मैं
that
तो बोल ही
double
नहीं रहा हूँ.
standard there? It's harming men as well.
True, it is, but see, men and women, both of them enjoy sex, right? And both of them are emotional. Both of them have emotions. There will be men who will treat it as a you know, you've got fuckboys out there, but then same time you've got
But if
like
we keep perpetuating this ideology that, you know, emotions don't matter and, you know, we want to sow our seeds everywhere and all that, I'm not saying you.
No,
I'm saying
true,
as a people, if we keep perpetuating this ideology, it really harms emotions for men, I think.
Tanaya, आपके experience में what have you found? Like, you know, I mean, and let's not talk about what I think. You
yeah,
know,
yeah, for sure.
But अगर आपको अपने, when you have men who come to you, say, or women, you know, just from a sexual or an emotional perspective, उनकी क्या issues होते हैं? Are they more emotional? Are they more sexual? Are they more performance? And let's, you know, dive into this other aspect of performance anxiety.
Yeah.
राइट मतलब ठीक है, एक तरफ आपका बॉडी काउंट हो गया, दूसरी तरफ हमने आई स्टार्टेड विद दिस वुमेन आर टॉट प्योरिटी एंड मेन आर टॉट परफॉर्मेंस. तो दूसरी तरफ आपके पास एक कम्प्लीटली नया विंडो है ऑफ यू नो जस्ट अ मैन्स एंजाइटी टू परफॉर्म. There was a video you done, Kshitij, where you used Viagra.
Oh yeah, we did a Viagra documentary.
You did a Viagra documentary to see कि क्या performance increase
Why
हो
are
रही
people
है,
using Viagra?
why
Viagra.
people are using it. So you literally have normal regular men using, you know, enhancement drugs क्योंकि उनको इतना ज़्यादा anxiety है. So what is the kind of anxiety that men have and इसको क्या perpetuate करता है?
And that is where the fundamental understanding of science is very important, is because Viagra is not a performance drug. Viagra is a drug for people who struggle to have an erection or struggle to maintain an erection. Basically हमारे जो penis में होते हैं उसमें blood vessels होती हैं. Blood vessels जब open up हो जाती हैं तो blood penis में पहुंचता है. फिर जब वो penis में पहुंच जाता है तो वो blood vessels shut off हो जाती हैं. And that's how the penis becomes and stays erect. For whatever reason अगर ये blood vessels narrow हो गई हैं, usually commonly with smoking or with age, ये नैरो होती जाते हैं, कम पीनस में ब्लड पहुंचता है, इसकी वजह से इरेक्शन या तो हो नहीं पाता है या मेंटेन नहीं हो पाता है. वायग्रा इन ब्लड वेसल्स को ओपन अप करने में हेल्प करता है. नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड निकालता है, एनओ निकालता है, उसकी वजह से these blood vessels relax a little bit. That is the purpose of Viagra. And we don't understand that. And जिस तरह से औरतों पे प्योरिटी का टोकरा रख दिया जाता है, आदमियों पे परफॉर्मेंस का टोकरा रख दिया जाता है, and healthy men who don't have any problems with their erection think they'll have Viagra and become like super strong और performance बढ़ जाएगा, stamina बढ़ जाएगा. And they end up in the emergency room because they pass out, they have blurring of vision, they have a sudden drop in their blood pressure because सिर्फ penis की blood vessels तो नहीं dilate कर रहे ना, पूरी body की blood vessels dilate हो रही हैं. They hit their heads by fainting. So all of these ideologies, I keep coming back to the same thing. We may keep perpetuating them for social reasons, but they are harming men as well. They are harming men at such a large degree that men think that they need to have these shady ass supplements you can buy on some random website because it will make your penis 12 inch longer, and you know women only like 12-inch penis. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Yep.
It comes back, we need to educate people about their bodies and the right way to do things. There is no right way, never mind. We need to educate people about their bodies and then give them the choice of doing how they want to do things. What I see a lot, and I also write a column called Ask This Expert for the Mumbai Mirror, and a lot of my questions that come in, I do like 2 questions a day. A lot of the times the questions that come in are exactly this, like, how do I please her? How do I perform better? And that's the thing where men's emotions really do matter so much. They're not emotionless sex machines. Because a lot of them are not coming in from an angle of like, how do I show her I'm the best she's ever had? It's coming from an angle of how do I please her?
Yeah.
There is that degree of emotion and care and love and affection that they're expressing via physical intimacy. So it's misplaced priorities. उनको उन पे performance का pressure डाल देते हैं, लड़कियों पे पता नहीं कौन सा pressure डाल देते हैं, and it's just fucked up for everybody.
Yeah.
Kshitij, I mean, you
I-
work
I
with
agree to most of this stuff.
No, because you
Yeah.
work with so many men, and आपने बहुत
Yeah.
अच्छे से बोला.
And-
Like when we started talking about consent,
Yeah.
you said कि mostly it's not about consent. लड़के डरते हैं,
बहुत
right?
डरते हैं
तो
एटलीस्ट मॉडर्न वे
yeah.
में जहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं वो लड़के डरते हैं क्योंकि उनको मीटू नहीं होना है, उनको ऐसे नहीं होना है कि
Yeah.
लड़का क्रीप है, पॉश लग जाएगा.
Yeah.
देयर लाइक भाई नहीं मुझे
हम
नहीं
लोग
करना
तो मतलब they're actually operating from a sense of at one point हम बोल रहे हैं they're emotionless sex machines, और दूसरी तरफ we're saying that they're scared, they're afraid. तो हम I feel like we're almost putting them in
फंसा
very
रहे हैं.
impossible
Yeah, yeah.
situations. Like,
It's very difficult to
What
run.
like you of course work back with a lot of young boys.
Yeah.
क्या anxiety होती है, क्या performance issues होते हैं, actually problem क्या होती है?
There is performance anxiety, definitely that does exist, and I would always, because I worked on improving my performance, I worked on understanding how the female body functions, and I think वो लड़कों को करना भी चाहिए, because testosterone is one of the most important hormones. You need to do that. You need to understand how sex happens, what's happening, because you want to be able to satisfy your partner, and women also need to be able to do the same thing. And I think it just goes with everyone. Like recently, we had a client. So he comes to me after. So we get him a date, and like so his thing was 7 years he had no date, and he's gone on more dates in the past 3 months with us. We sorted out his online dating. He was from Ahmedabad, and he's like, work karega. मैं कहा भाई we'll sort it out for you. So he went on a date with a girl. He's a virgin, right? I think 28, 29 years old, comes from like money and everything. Goes on a date with a girl, and I told him, bhai, please carry a condom. You need to have a condom in your wallet at all points in time. You need to be psychologically ready.
First
It's
date,
gonna
second
happen.
date?
So first date, so what happens? I mean, men need to have a condom in the wallet at all points in time. You just get
Sorry, please
psychologically
don't do that.
ready.
Yeah, I was just-
Wallet में condom रह के it rubs against and it can create micro tears and it can lead to a pregnancy. Keep one in your
Bag,
somewhere else
wallet.
in your bag.
ठीक है.
But wallet में
कहाँ
is
रखना
a
चाहिए?
scientifically bad idea.
कहाँ रखना
Glove
Keep it
box में
everywhere.
गाड़ी के glove box में नहीं रखना है because heat से degrade हो सकता है latex and wallet में micro tears हो सकते हैं. Also condoms expire. Please उसकी date
I
check
know, I
करें.
know. मतलब बहुत ही बुरी बात है अगर कॉन्डम एक्सपायर हो गया किसी का तो. I think that's बेइज्जती हो गई अगर कॉन्डम एक्सपायर हो गया किसी का ना.
मेहनत करने के
हाँ, condom भी expire हो गया. So anyway, with this guy, he goes on a date with a girl on the first date, and the girl wants to have sex with him on the first date. And he gets nervous, he gets like, नहीं ऐसे नहीं, whatever. He goes back and he tells me, भाई यार वो मेरे को होटल ही बुला रही थी, but I had work to do. मैं कहा भाई चला जाता भाई, it's been 7 years, you're a virgin, come on भाई, क्या कर रहा है? So I'm like, bro, second date, make it happen. He's like, bro, why would she come? I go, bro, because it's consensual. People want to have sex. She's gonna have fun. You're gonna have fun. So they go to a hotel room, and वहाँ पे his problem was, so he comes up to me, bro, what happened? He's like, bro, I couldn't do it. I was like, why? He's like, because I was too big for the condom. I was like, bro, it's very difficult for me to understand that. You're saying condom, कह रहे bro, वो condom छोटा था मेरे लिए. I'm like, bro, that doesn't happen. So on a live call, I had to demonstrate with this big water bottle on how to put on a fucking condom. कि भाई वो stretch होता है, ऐसे करके
But
करना
sorry,
होता
can
है.
I interrupt again?
Yeah.
There are
Sorry.
different sizes of condoms, and yes, people can be too small or too
नहीं,
large
but वो
for
नहीं
them.
था. Most of the men, I'm telling you, condoms are this big. All right, no guy is this big. Like I'm telling, 100%.
When you stretch it too much, there's a risk of bursting. And why this is really important is because when NASA was designing the spacesuits for their astronauts, they had to make these penis sleeves so that they could pee in space.
Yeah.
And literally every single astronaut reported that, oh, they're extra large. Because, men are taught that, giant penis, that's what matters.
Yeah.
especially for an astronaut.